So here's how you can link your PayPal account over to your Temu account and be able to cash out when you win rewards on Temu. It's actually quite easy to do, but you want to make sure that you watch this full video so you don't miss out on any critical steps. So the very first thing that we need to do is open up our Temu app, and then you want to click on the U button on the bottom. Now once you're in this page, you want to click on Earn Credits and Free Gifts. And then simply choose any one of these options. I'm just going to choose Cash Reward. You can also choose Uncash Reward if you wish. And so once you are in this page, you can see that a lot of people are actually making a lot of money via PayPal. So if you want to go ahead and link your PayPal, what you want to do is click on the Activity button on the top right-hand corner. And then you're going to be led up to the invitations page, and then go over to records. It's not there. You want to go to rewards on the right hand side. So now, as you can see, it says you haven't got any reward yet. Invite friends to get rewarded now. So what you want to do is actually invite now, get the reward, and essentially you have to refer friends in order to actually cash out. And once you got enough invites and you can cash out, there's going to be a button in this page right over here. Just go to exactly this page, rewards, and there's going to be a button that says add PayPal, where then you can go ahead and click on that and then link your PayPal account over to your Temu account. So you can actually do it until you have completed all the referrals, and then you're able to cash out. And then once that has been done, go over to activities, rewards, and then you find a button where you can actually connect your PayPal account over to your Temu account.